Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by pointing to the name column and creating one clear search cell. Type the person's name in D1 exactly how you expect it. Once done, make sure the name list in column B has no extra spaces or case mismatches. You do this because exact matches are fastest and more reliable. Now prepare a results area to the right. Make sure headers match and your sheet has no merged cells that break formulas. This prevents errors when you run the next formula. You now place the filter formula in the results area to pull every matching row. Use trim and lower inside filter so small spacing or case differences don't break the match. This is why the formula compares trim, lower BB to trim, lower D1. Once entered, the sheet spills all matching rows automatically. If nothing appears, wrap filter with iFor to show a friendly, not found message. Make sure your ranges cover the whole dataset, and there are no conflicting values in the spill area. To finish, verify the spelling in the search cell and consider rejects match if you need partial matches. For example, replace the equality check with rejects match, trim, lower BB, lower D1. Once done, lock or protect your results area so the spill range stays intact. If the formula errors, clear any content in the intended spill cells and re-enter. Also run clean on the source column to remove hidden characters. If you still see nothing, recheck that your sheets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.